Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Network Academy. Do you know that data science has become one of the most rapidly growing career options in India and globally? Glassdoor has ranked it as the top most promising profession for the next 3 to 5 years. So, what made it so relevant today and for years to come? The reason is the exponential increase in data. There's probably no such industry that can survive the competition without acing data science. It wouldn't be wrong to claim that data has become the fuel that's driving our industries. In this video, I will share my research on the relevancy of data science in an excessively globalized market and why it is more important than ever to learn data science. What is data science? Machine learning, programming, data statistics, modeling, and understanding databases are critical components of data science. It is a domain of study where one has to analyze and manage vast data volumes using a wide range of modern computational tools and techniques. Analyzing such massive volumes of incoming data is important to detect unseen patterns and make critical business decisions by deriving meaningful information from these patterns. For this purpose, complex machine learning algorithms and various skills are utilized. Who is a data scientist? Some time back, big data was regarded as a revolutionary new technology for companies to gain a defining competitive edge over their competitors. That's still true, to a great extent. However, over time businesses and companies have realized the need to hire data scientists. They need experts to handle, manage, analyze, and interpret data trends. That's the job of a data scientist. A data scientist can handle and analyze complex data and spot trends using a variety of skills from statistical to analytical and observational. Data scientists can decipher large datasets and ensure that businesses can achieve their short and long-term goals through productive use of data. Generally, computer science experts need to develop soft skills such as problem-solving or critical thinking to upgrade their careers. But to excel as a data scientist, they must develop hard skills like data visualization, analysis, statistics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. And to become an expert data scientist, candidates must possess hard and soft skills. Data scientists must have strong problem-solving aptitude and analytical capabilities. Apart from that, they must be experienced in Python and other programming languages, have adequate knowledge of any database querying language such as SQL, and be familiar with machine learning algorithms such as Apache Mahout. And, let's not forget to gain sound expertise in software frameworks like Apache Hadoop. That's how you become a successful data scientist. Why is data science relevant today? Data science has become relevant in every field of work because it helps maximize sales revenue if specialized people are hired to analyze data, gauge company performance, and make smart decisions. Once this need was realized, it created a pressing demand for data scientists, enhancing the significance of data science as a subject. As the world gets bombarded with all kinds of astronomical data, it is guaranteed that data scientists will remain in demand. Companies would need someone to track and streamline incoming data proficiently. But, the vast discrepancy in the supply and demand of data scientists worldwide has made it difficult for businesses to maximize value and profits. The world's premier provider of market intelligence, the International Data Corporation, IDC, reported that by 2025, global data would increase to 175 zettabytes. Numerous studies have revealed that the worldwide data science market will likely grow to $115 billion by 2023. Data science has become integral for companies to efficiently understand incoming data from multiple resources to make data-driven strategies and decisions. The study of data can help enterprises tap into emerging tech trends, empower management, and improve the hiring process. If you choose to learn data science, it's definitely going to augment your career. Data science's scope in India. Data science professionals are hugely in demand in India today. And, as per current estimates, they receive the highest salary hike among startups. PayScale estimated that, on average, a data scientist gets up to 620,244 Indian rupees annually in India, whereas a senior data scientist can expect to earn 1,147,826 a year. There's no doubt that all indicators point in the same direction: data science is here to stay, and data scientists will remain in demand until the vacancy gap is filled or overcome. Now let's find out the application of data science specifically in the Indian context. Data science application areas are just as diverse as the nature of this study. Data science's mandatory application is widely documented in numerous domains, from marketing to policymaking, healthcare, and finance. Let's take the example of the banking sector. Data science can help address the country's bank debt crisis. It can be possible even if banks are prohibited from dealing in cryptocurrencies. That's because the RBI has still reposed its trust in blockchain technology and supported the idea of leveraging data analytics for implementing the long-pending banking reforms. This could be a step in the right direction to improve the country's banking system. Moreover, businesses can utilize data science in a variety of aspects. Such as, enterprises can measure, record, and track performance metrics to engage customers better, facilitate enterprise-wide critical decision-making, and eventually enhance profitability. Using existing data to simulate different actions, companies can devise methods that help reap desired business outcomes. Organizations can refine target audiences by combining existing data and other data points. On the other hand, recruiters can connect data points to determine which candidates best fit the organizational needs. The emergence of big data and machine learning analytics have allowed enterprises to make sense of the trove of data and utilize it effectively to make real-time informed business decisions. So, you see, data science isn't an aimless number-munching job anymore. Since it covers an extensive range of industries where data influences decisions, you get myriad options and opportunities to work in almost any sector you want to. And you don't even need to have a high academic background or degree to become eligible for learning data science nuances. An undergraduate degree is all you need to enroll in data science course. Just get a grip on any programming language, develop analytical skills, and you are ready to apply for a job. The good news is that you can do an online data science course from the comfort of your home. It cannot get any better than this, can it? Data scientists are direly needed today since more and more businesses are realizing the need to examine big data to ensure sustainable growth. Data science helps them cut costs and surpass their competitors. What do you have to say about that? Please share your thoughts on learning data science, its significance in the current scenario and the different ways it helps you tilt the learning curve. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to stay connected. Thanks for watching.